So far, this all season's been awesome, man. We've been able to just kind of keep going where we left off last year. You know, it's the same program, same bike, same team for me. So just building off last year, and yeah, I was able to do some off-season races and won the Paris race, got the King of Paris, which was awesome. And then Australia, I won the first race and then had a tumble, but walked away with no injuries, so that's a positive. And yeah, just right back to it, man. We've been putting in the laps and really training hard for this upcoming season. The intensity is at a high, like always, man. It's the 450 class is extremely deep this year, as always, but I think we see there's 5 past champions on the line this year, first time ever, so it's not going to be easy, but yeah, I'm looking forward to a great year. I feel like I'm in a good spot, and I feel like I've improved even from last year, and we were able to get second in the championship last year, so we're going to try our butt off to win the championship. Yeah, man, the 250 boys, they're on it. It's cool to be here and a part of that. They're training partners and riding partners, and even though the teams, 450, 250s are a little separate, we're still the same team. So, yeah, obviously Hayden, I think, has a real chance at winning Supercross this year. I think we're going to see guys like Pierce Brown and Nate Thrasher and Max Anstey have hopefully a breakout year. I think they could be contenders this year, and then I think some of the young guys like Bennick and Davies will be really solid and have some solid top 5s, maybe get on the podium, stuff like that. So I know everyone's goal is to win, but I think all the guys are looking to have a great year. I want to beat everybody the most, but I think it's no secret. We know Jet's going to be strong. He has the #1 plate, and he had, I think, 8 wins it was last year, so he was definitely the guy to beat. And you know, it's no secret that I think my teammate Eli is gonna be really strong for his last year. You can never count him out. Chase Sexton, a past champion, you can never count him out. The class is just endless, right? There's going to be guys that come and go throughout the season, so I'm looking to be on top of mine and come out to be the #1 guy. It's an amazing accomplishment to be a role model to these young kids and the young bLUcRU generation coming up. You know, in Australia, they did a great thing with the 65s and 85s, and yeah, it's just cool, man. I have my own kids now, so to see how excited that these boys and girls get to be able to meet us, right? Like we're heroes to them, so it's super special and I enjoy it a lot. Getting under the lights on a Saturday, there's no other feeling, and especially A1, you know, it's always the one that sticks out in my mind. The first one, just the energy, the crowd. For people that haven't been able to do it, I would think it'd be like the gladiators back in the day in the Coliseum, right? You just step out and everyone's watching you, right? So there's a feeling that you can't get unless you're there, that's for sure. And I remember being a little kid thinking, you know, that would be the dream one day to do, and now it's a reality, and I still am able to do it and do it at a high level, right? And if you can, and if you do go over that finish line first in those races, and you feel that flame and the crowd's energy, it's honestly undefeated feeling.